Can I come? Oh, thank you so much. I just crashed into a local party.
If you like, you can enjoy with us.
Good morning guys, so happy to see you guys. We're back to our normal schedule, which means any activity related to the beach.
I'm so excited. I haven't seen a beach in a very long time and the beach looks absolutely beautiful from what we saw yesterday, so we can't wait to go get a tan on, maybe a few drinks on the beach.
Yeah, it is so hard to contain our joy to be here.
Those flowers are so pretty, came from that tree. They're so pretty. Look.
Oh wow, it's beautiful here. Flowers, colors. Wow. What I mean by it is so hard for me to contain my joy, my happiness to be here, is that I want to film everything. You know, this morning when we woke up, we found a coconut that was falling on the ground during the night, and we decided to open it.
Yeah, it took him, because I made the mistake of saying, don't do it, it's gonna be too hard because it's an old coconut and it's very hard. And then Takyo was like, no, it's not too hard. Let me man up and open it up.
So 30 minutes later,
yeah.
I end up with 3 knives and 1 hammer crushing that coconut down. Big
Girls,
coconut.
learn from my mistake. If you want to get extra 30 minutes of sun, do not tell them to your man. That's very proud. The chair on the beach are free as long as you take something, eat something, which is normal, you know, they do business here. I like the black and white one, they're more aesthetic.
You have mango juice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mango
Okay.
juice, Coke Zero.
Yes.
Okay.
Setup is done. Happy babe?
One after the last, and along we go. The shift and pull of the tides never sleeps.
The water is super fresh. Perfect for this hot temperature.
Wow, it would be so perfect if we knew how to surf.
You want to take another surf lesson?
No, I'm not ready for all this struggle, okay? Maybe like in a couple of days when we go to other beaches later in this trip. But today I just want to chill.
And you are safe with me, and I will stay with you until the
Tastes like paradise in the cup.
So the rice is this one. It looks like brown rice. It has pieces of still like the cork around it. We have some bitter curd. Oh, this is like their fried snacks. It's like a fried instant noodle. And that's some dal curry. I don't know what that is. Let's try.
Bananas?
It's sweet.
I'm going bananas.
It's sweet and spicy. Taste it.
It
I don't
tastes
know.
more like mangoes, marinate mangoes.
I don't know, but it's a fruit. It's sweet and it's spicy, and it was marinated in sugar.
Yeah, you guys tell us what it is.
And we have some coconut sambal, our favorite, and the little salad here.
Yum. It's nice texture. It's still warm. It's creamy, and it's spicy in the mouth. Pour this on the rice. And this rice is special, eh? It doesn't look like the rice we had back home. Oh my god. Oh wow. The rice is just soft and tender, and the calamari. Oh. Taste the beach right now. With curry. Jade is saying how poor of a commentator about food I am.
You like everything, so everything is tender or sweet or spicy. Oh wow, guys, look at this, whatever this is.
Maybe I should watch some more food vlogs so I can describe better. So the sun's about to set and it's time for us to hop onto another place. There's an island over there, it's called the Parrot Rock. Apparently it's super nice there, we must discover that place. Here's the Parrot Rock. You guys tell me why it's called Parrot Rocks. Does it look like a parrot, Jade?
I think it used to be like an island that's eroding away by the sea. I think that's what I understood from it. But there's tons of birds on it. You're gonna see there are always a lot of like those black birds flying.
Oh, probably we're gonna see some parrots.
No.
Guys, we are so lucky, you guys don't know. We can only access to this rock on the low tide. I'm just kidding. It's very easy to access. Okay, wish me good luck, guys. If I lose this camera in the water, at least it's gonna be recorded. Oh my god, you should see the amount of birds there.
This should be like the sparrow island. There's tons of sparrows here.
Looks like there's a local party on this island. We're gonna try if we can, you know, enter in the party if they allow us. Look at the bird, look at the bird. Hi. Can I come? Can I come? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, big party here. Oh. Guys, that is amazing. I just crashed into a local party.
You can enjoy with us.
Oh my god, thank you so much. You're very kind. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. They invite us to a party, but obviously we couldn't attend because we have so many things to do here, but they are truly kind. They give me a beer, but you know, I took a banana. Okay, Jade, try to not hurt yourself again, okay?
I will try. I
One
will try
time's
very
enough.
hard.
You hurt yourself for this trip, enough. Look at this road.
I don't think I'm going up this thing.
It's like a mini path.
You go up, you take footage, you show me, okay?
We're gonna bring our drone up there and catch the footage for you guys. spot to eat by the beach. Apparently Jade spots some
Lamb chops.
lamb chops. Let's find that. You see the color? It's all red.
Yeah, all over my face. There you go.
Back to the same restaurant that we were earlier this morning. So that should ring you a bell, unless you are just, too distracted by her. But it's a really good restaurant.
Real lamb chops. So there we go. Those are the lamb chops. It comes with some veggies, grilled veggies as well. So it's absolutely perfect. Exactly what I wanted.
This is like deep fried calamari with some pepper and spice. Oh my god. It's hot. No words. In your mouth, it's just like full of flavor. And I'm drooling right now.
Full of flavor. Remember that one.
Stop it. We hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful day at Mirissa Beach and this epic sunset by the beach.
Tomorrow we're enjoying half a day. We're gonna go to Coconut Hill and we're heading to Galley at this beautiful fine hotel at the 48 Lighthouse. And so today, if you like today's vlog, please click on the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We love you guys.
Bye.
Come on.